How to produce associate email marketing campaign from scratch. Introduction. It permits you to directly reach and interact together with your target market, build client relationships, and drive sales. Build your email list. By building associate email list of engaged subscribers, you'll be able to produce a targeted and effective email promoting campaign. Choose associate email promoting tool. To assist you create the correct call, it is vital to think about your specific wants and budget. Some tools. This can assist you. Notice a tool which will enable you to form and manage effective email promoting campaigns. Create a campaign strategy. Determinant. The content and frequency of your emails can assist you produce an identical and effective email promoting campaign. Design your emails. Use pictures and graphics, as well as pictures and graphics in your emails will build them additional visually appealing and facilitate hack blocks of text. Write compelling subject lines and email copy. Use your subscriber's name or different personal info to form a customized subject line. Set up automation and segmentation. Automation and segmentation are two powerful tools for streamlining your email promoting efforts and increasing the effectiveness of your campaigns. Test and analyze your emails. One way to check and improve your emails is by mistreatment A/B testing. Conclusion. Begin your own email promoting campaign nowadays and start building stronger relationships together with your customers.